In this video, I'll show you to update your login screen display name in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, press Windows O on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type netplwiz and hit Enter to open the User Accounts window. Now select your account from the list and click Properties. Here's the key part. If the full name field is empty, Windows will display your username on the login screen. To change what appears, simply enter your preferred full name in the field. For example, if your username is Zimist, but you want your login screen to show Zimist coded, just type that into the full name box. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your computer. After the restart, you'll see your new name on the Windows login screen. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Windows login screen display name. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.